Eyebrow pencils. Ahoy mateys, it's Dazzlinglatte, and welcome to a grocery type thing haul. Okay, so I went to Kroger today. You're gonna see me wipe down all of this stuff. I went to Kroger today to pick up some grocery items and some fun stuff. I got some fun stuff. Oh my gosh, all I had was coffee this morning. I forgot to have breakfast. Iced coffee is not a meal. I'm slowly learning that. Okay, we got almond breeze milk. Okay, let's just... Whew. Oh gosh, I do not have time. Rip this open. Okay. Whew. Oh, almond breeze, banana almond milk. There was a coupon for $1 off, and so this was this was $1.99. Next, I went really in a weird order with this. I used the self-checkout. Okay, so like I know that I said I was just gonna stick to like dyeing my hair black, but that's starting to fade, and I sort of wanted to do something else. So we got some SPLAT tantalizing teal. Cause like I sort of wanted to go back to green, but then cause like I've just been seeing Telltale's version of the Joker just like everywhere. I decided to just go blue because I don't think I've ever dyed my hair teal. I mean, that's cute. It's cute. I want to dye it that. And just in case the first bleach kit does not take, because it comes with bleach. Got myself a second one, and both of these were $7.69 a piece on sale. Next, oh, I got something else that was fun. Got some lipstick. This was $5.99, and it is Color Sensational Pitch Black lipstick. I've never had a black lipstick. I've always just used eyebrow pencils. Okay, Instant Pot. What the hell? Oh, potatoes. Okay, we got ourselves some Mr. Potato. Kroger mashed potatoes. $1.79. These do have milk in them, which I don't understand. Potatoes are supposed to be vegan. Throw that away. Oh gosh. Rip this one open. Okay, so we got some pizzas because I was craving pizza. Rip them open. We got ourselves some so loud Totino's party pizzas. I got 2 supreme flavored ones because they had them on sale for $1.25 a piece. I have not been able to get these, so it was nice to just go in the store and be able to get some. And then I got myself a bag of flour for $1.79. So we got all-purpose enriched flour. Yeah, I already said $1.79. And yeah, I'm excited about this. I use this to make biscuits. I think that's everything. Just wipe down the countertop. Okay. Sure. Oh, I turned on my Xbox. Oh no. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, I'm thinking about like trying out that teal hair dye. I hope it works out. So, for now I have to go. Until next time, smooth sailing to you and your pirate crew.